Good afternoon, friends. For art time today, we are going to be learning how to draw Johnny Appleseed. We're going to do something called directed drawing. And the way this works is that I'm going to teach you step by step how to draw a picture. So first, everyone needs to get a blank piece of paper, okay? And you're going to turn it long ways so it looks like this. Sideways would be this way. But we're going to turn it long ways, okay? Because we're going to be making a person, and people can be tall. So we're going to use that. In the kind of upper middle of our paper, we're going to start by drawing 2 circles for eyes. So go ahead and do that on your paper for me. You can use a marker, a pencil, whatever you would like, because when we're done drawing, we're going to get to color it. Then we're going to draw a little sad face, but that's actually going to be his nose. So don't worry, he's going to be a happy Johnny. Next, after you've done that, we're going to make a smiley face. So we're going to do a little smile on the side. And we're going to draw a big smile and put another little smile there because it makes it look like he has dimples in his cheeks, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and color in his eyes. Okay. So now we have a cute little face. Go ahead and catch up and work on that for me. The next thing we're going to do is draw his face. So we're going to start over here and we're going to go down and around and back up to make his face. Can you do that for me? Very good. Now we're just going to close it. So we're just going to draw a straight line on top. Now, do you remember what Johnny Appleseed wore on his head? That's right, he wore a pot on his head. So we're going to make a rectangle. We're going to do this, but we're not going to close it all the way. We're going to leave a little opening right there. Can you do that for me? And in that opening, we're going to make a handle for a pot. So it's just like another rectangle. Okay, can you go ahead and try that for me? And you can put a little square in there to make it look like a pot handle. Now next we're going to give him some hair. So under his pot, we're just going to make some squiggly lines to give him some hair that you can color. Okay. Now he needs some ears to hear. So we're just going to make some ears, almost like a half circle. Okay. Put some ears on him. Then, when we get that part done, we're going to draw a big, long rectangle all the way to the bottom of the page. It kind of makes it look like he has a really silly long neck, but we're going to add some things so it doesn't look so silly here in a minute. So go ahead and do that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw some arms, some shoulders. So we're going to go over on one side. Can you do that? And then over on the other side. And we're going to make his little neck right there. Very good. Now we're going to draw his bag. He wore a bag that he carried apple seeds in. So we're going to make a stripe, but we're not going to go all the way across. We're just going to go a little bit across because we need to leave room for the bag, okay? So once we do that, we're going to make a square for his bag. So go ahead and do that. Then we're going to add a triangle and a little dot to make it look like it has a part that closes. Very good. Now we're going to draw his arms down. So we're going to make little spots right here and right over here. Just little lines down. So it looks like he has some arms there. Now we have Johnny Appleseed done, and you're going to get to color him, but first we're going to draw a background. A background is the world that's behind him. So we're going to draw a grassy hill, and we're going to do it about where his neck is, and we're going to go that way with a line, and then we're going to go that way with a line. See how it makes like a hill that he's standing in front of? Now we're going to draw some apple trees. So over here, we're going to make our tree stump, and then we're going to make a little bit taller one over here. Then we're going to put a circle on both of them for our tree. And then we're going to put some apples, and you can color those apples whatever color you want. Red, yellow, green, if you want to make a mixture. And that is our Johnny Appleseed picture. So now, once you have him finished and he looks like that, you can go ahead and color him however you want. And then I would love for someone in your family to take a picture after it's done being colored and send it to me so I can see how amazing you did drawing your Johnny Appleseed. And don't forget to write your name on the top. So I'll write my name, Mrs. Fontenot, up here. Now, if you got lost on this, you can rewatch the video to go back and fill in where you got lost at. You can do this as many times as you want, but don't make it perfect. Mine's not perfect. I just want it to be the best that you can do, okay? Have fun today after you're done with this. If you have time left in art class, I would love for you to create your own apple tree. And there are some examples on the website, so please look at that and make a really awesome apple tree to show me for Apple Week this week. Thanks, friends. Have fun in art today. I will talk to you soon.